Hello. So today I'm going to walk you through the app that we have developed for our as the for the individual assignments or individual project task for the CS6440 Introduction to Health Analytics class. So to go and to open our app, first we need to go to this link right here. This is the URL for our app, which is available also on our GitHub page. If we go the repository and you see it's right here. So once you open that, and we will see this actually the home page of the app. So a short overview of the app is basically what it does. It takes into some major factors in considerations, the factors that affect or increases the probability of a person to get this coronary heart disease, and based on that it predicts that what's the risk in next 10 years the patient is going to get that coronary heart disease or some sort of heart disease very soon. And that, as well known in many websites, and I mean this is just one example I'm saying showing here. So there are many examples that these are the major factors that actually include affects the health. For example, smoking habit, blood pressure, cholesterol, and LDL, HDL, and exercise habits, and having diabetes is also one of the major factors, and also the weight and height, the BMI basically, and then the family records. So we have taken into account all this. So uh, to log in, first we have to go right here. We click on the sign in, and we go here. There's two options right here: sign up and sign in. So we can sign up basically. Let's say we can put any just test name, for example, and test at chd.com, and some password, let's say admin. So we signed up, and it says that username is successfully created, as you see. So now we sign up, we sign in with that, the test at chd.com, and admin as the password. So it just opened. So once we log in, the UI will look like this. So now we have our app has three features. It can take in a data in a file, and then a CSV file, which is, and then calculate the risk factor, or it can pull data from the smart fire server, and then we are using DSTU3, and then predict it, or it can just manually, a person at the PCP can manually ingest the data. So we'll go one by one. So we'll start with the file upload. So click on that, and then once you click on it, we will have this thing. So in the meantime, if we want to go back, we can click on the home, or if we want to sign out, we can click on the sign out. So we choose here, we come here. So we have to make sure that uh, the headers, these headers has to be available in this in the file. So once you click here, and it gives me the option. So I had this repository ready. This is also available on the Google repo, I mean the GitHub repo, and this is one of those pre-formatted CSV file for this purpose. So I upload that, and then click on this upload button, and there you go. The report is right here. So the name of the person, or in the file, was Ryan Caps, and the person was male, and all the information is right here. So to go back, as you said, then we click on here, and then we're back to this place. So now we're going to try this smart fire option. So it takes a few seconds because it's pulling data directly from the server. So it gives us the options to choose any patients which is available on the smart fire. So here, as you see here, right, already selected one. We can select any one of them. So we just go with it. And right now we are only using DSTU3 server, and our for the R4 servers, we have to. We're thinking about adding an option, but due to the time constraint, we couldn't. So we right here, we select, and then So it gives us the score. So the problem is, the score is not very reliable for this specific patient, because as you can see, almost all data is not available. So so in that case, we have a well-trained option behind the scene that can actually handle this data. Basically, it can pull. So you can take the average of last 4 years or 5 years of patient records in the USA, and based on that, it just calculates this risk scores. So we sign back in. So we're back for the third option, which is the form. Click on it. We enter the name of the patient, Ryan, Caps, male, some random birth date, something, anything. Weight, let's say 70 kgs, height maybe 180, cholesterol level, HDL that's 40, total calorie, let's 200, systolic 130, diastolic 85 or something. So, and we click on the submit button, and there it is. Please enter valid. So we click on again. So, okay, so it worked. A minor hiccup was formed because of the date selection, there was an error. So here it shows the risk per score based on the data that we have already entered right now. And then again, we to sign out, we can just sign out right here. Thank you. That was the simple walkthrough. How can we do it online? But so first we have to go for local development. We have to go to the directory where the GitHub was, the clone, the repo was cloned, and then once we go there, we click on. I've already done it. So, but we can definitely, the instructions are right here. We can just clone it and then go to the CHD tracker folder. So right here, I'm on it right now. So now I do the pip. It says pip and then shell pip and shell. So it prepares the virtual environment for me. So I already have all the requirements installed, so I'm not gonna do that again, but I'll go directly /run. And it's ready to go. And if we go to an incognito website, it's right there. So this is how the local development is done. Thank you for watching.